Hello guys, Igor here, and today I'm gonna tell you how to import your leads into Waalaxy. The tool is pretty simple and precise, and you have no issues to do that. The first thing you need to do is to know which kind of professional you want to find on LinkedIn to import into Waalaxy. In my case, I want to find digital marketers. So just type here digital marketers. After you type the professional, you need to filter because I want to find only digital marketers from New York City. So I can just click on add location and try to find New York. So New York, United States, and click on show results. Now I have the list of the digital marketers in New York. What I need to do now is to click on the Waalaxy extension, and then I need to create a list, or I can use an existing list. In my case, I need to create a list. Digital marketer, New York City. Create. Then you need to select the number of prospects to import. The maximum is 1,000. So I'm gonna click here on confirm now, and Waalaxy will start to import all my prospects into it. You don't need to wait on LinkedIn until Waalaxy imports all the contacts. You can just, browse on the internet and wait, because this extension will work automatically. Then when you finish the process, you just can go here on prospects and you will see all your prospects here. You have other ways to import contacts on Waalaxy. You can use a CSV file or a leads list, so you can just import your contacts from another automation tool to Waalaxy. I hope you like that tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.